Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, I am Vida and today I'm going to be showing you how you can curl your hair using this curling iron. So it is by the brand Philips. So I'm going to be showing you how I curl my hair. So what I've done is like I washed my hair, did a little bit of straightening, like a straightening of 10-15 minutes because I think my hair is kind of too fluffy, or I would say like I have too many flyaways. So to calm it down I like to just use straightening iron. So that's what I did. So now my hair looks like this is the hair, and I'm gonna be showing you how I'm gonna curl the hair. So let's start. So okay, I usually do this like middle parting. So what I'm gonna do now is like I'll just do side parting and then start curling my hair, because then after like curling my hair, when I do the middle parting, it looks nice, it looks like really fluffy and big. So yeah, that's what I like to do. So let's start. I hope you get my point. So I'm gonna pick up a little bit of hair like this, and then I'm gonna just take it, and it's kind of really hard, so make sure that you don't burn yourself. For extra safety, I would like to have you guys that glove, so that you can protect your hands. Oh my god. So I'm gonna keep like for a minute, not a minute, like for 20 seconds like this. I'm gonna take it. So this is how the hair looks like, pretty curly. Oh my god, I burnt my hair, I can smell it. Oh my god. So this is how I'm gonna do the entire hair. Now I'll just stop talking and just put on the music, and yeah. Yeah. Here around the wall. So yeah, this is kind of loose. This is what I'm looking for, not this. It's kind of really tight. So yeah, I don't curl my hair. I'm gonna clip this out of the way so don't get mixed with my hair, which is like straight. So I'll pick up a little more section like this. If you want tighter curls, then pick up like thin sections, and if you have longer hair, then pick up thin sections. But if you have short hair and you want thick curls, then pick up huge sections, like huge chunk of hair. So so guys, I'll come back after I'm done with this side of hair. So I'll show you the final result. Guys, I'm back after I'm done curling my hair. So this is my hair. This is how my hair looks like after curling. I'll just show you the back. So yes, this is how my hair looks like. And now I'm just gonna do my middle parting, which I do. So if you're someone who likes to do side parting, then you have to do the middle parting and then curl your hair and then just flip it. Now I'm just gonna do my straight parting. I like doing straight parting, so that's why I do straight parting. It's not exactly straight, but yeah. So guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoy this curly hair look. If you want to see more pictures of this hairstyle, definitely follow me on Instagram. I'll have pictures updated on my Instagram like in 1 or 2 days. So yeah, follow me there and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm actually sick, so my voice sounds different. But yeah, see you soon. Bye.